Hello friends, this is Ashiq Rahman from Rise Bangladesh. Today we are going to learn, today we are going to edit the Redux framework. In the last Redux framework video, we see how to install the Redux framework. So you can see in the Redux framework, there is many options like basic fields, radios and others such as etc. And you can see, did you know that about Redux framework, did you this and this, and you need to change that. So we are going to change that. So at first we will going to cpanel of our poster. I go to cpanel, and in the Redux framework we have made .inc file, folder. In the folder there is a admin-config.php folder. You can see in the last if you see the last video we have made, you can know about that. So I open that. Now I need to edit that. In here I need to remove these links. You can see when I put my mouse cursor on Facebook, Twitter, and they're showing me the Redux framework link. So we are going to show up the Redux framework link and remove. We will exchange our Redux framework link with our link. So in the line 174. You can see there is Redux documentary and Redux extensions management. So we need to first change the social link in here. So first, changing the social link, we need to go here in the line 196. In this here you can see visit us on GitHub, and you can GitHub, and you can see the GitHub logo, and I change to only you can see the URL and change it to your link. I change only GitHub. Then you can see there is a Facebook link, so change it to your Facebook link. I change it to normal Facebook. Then you can see there is twitter.com Facebook. Sorry for that message. Then remove that and exchange with your link. Then there is a link in exchange all the links you have. That is very good for you. There is no problem. You can put your link or other link of that's one you wanted, like you build up the theme. Now you put up the your details on the theme panel, and it will be good. And when your client will visit in your theme panel, if he don't know about the Redux framework, he will unable to change that links without you. That is a good positive thing for you. Sorry for that, my PC is making very slow. Exchange with my links and change with that. So I think it's become hang again. After the changing your link, then click on save as. By click on save as, the link will be changed, and when you reload your theme panel, you can see in the theme panel we see if I get the cursor on the icons and mouse cursor on the icons, I can see the GitHub Redux framework link. And when I change to in my theme, when you save that and reload that, and your link will be changed. I'm so sorry, it's making some time. Sorry for late because my PC is getting hang and my C panels are going slow too. In your here, please use the fastest way C panel, like use the SSD boost for your C panel, because without SSD boost your work will be get very slow, just like me. So I'm extremely sorry because my PC is slow too and my C panel slow too, so that's why it's making some time. Now setup complete. Now I need to save the change and reload my links. What happened to this damn PC? I hate that PC. I think that is cool. I set the changes. After the set the changes, then I need to reload that. As well as if your server is making slow or other things, blah blah blah, use FTP and FileZilla. Use FileZilla server and use the Notepad++, or you can use the brackets. Brackets is the best, I think. So if you use that things, that will be cool for you to edit, and it will be used to get the update fast. So I suggest you to use the FTP and FileZilla, because sometimes the C panels make very much a problem, and when the problems, it's very heavy problem. So I think my reload is not complete yet. I reload again. Okay. Now after the reload complete, we talk about something. So you can see there is a variable in here that says, did you know about the Redux and set the global variable for you? The access any save option with in your coding, you can global variable Redux framework. So you need to disable that things. You can see we changed the link of our social networks, and it is got to change that. In before we get the custom that shows us github/Redux framework, then facebook.com/Redux framework, then Twitter. Then I change that and we get that all. Now we need to see that how we remove that, and how we remove the full documentation link. So you can see there is two variable, global variable link, the panel link to the text, and it's the issues of the global variable. And you can see the addressed us into and called the Redux framework as a strategy, and you can see that is called the tricks, and we will not remove that code and we will not do anything. We just use our block code, that means our command code. You understand that we use our command code in here. So let's use our command code, it will be great for you. And please hold on, I need to change the editor of my C panel. It's making me heavy load. Sorry, my C panel editors are getting very slow. I hate that thing. So you can use your thing. So let's start it. and you can see there is the GitHub issues. We deleted things because we don't need the support, and there's documentations if not need to, and we're going to change that links. Now we need to disable the variable. So in here in the spring p, I'm calling that, and I call that as a comment code that it will be not show in here, right? I think if we call the comment code in the August, it will be good. I think I should disable the full thing. It will be great for that. The Redux framework is setup is .average. I think that will be closed now. Oh shit, what I've done. I think it's telling the unexpected. Yes, it will be not done by that. Sorry, I used wrong code. There is the Redux code, and here is the Redux code. I used the wrong PHP code in here. Sorry for that. And now I think that will be updated now, and the code will be active in second. Yes, it's say me I don't have the services permission, so I think we need to cross over one line and one line. It will be good for us. If we remove this, that means remove this and put your comment in here, and welcome to your theme. Please select your option. Now change it. Change it in here. Thank you for using our theme panel. Then in the footer option, just change it and change it to the copyright. Here is the copyright your company, right? href, and put hash on it and block the A. (2015) all right research. Okay, now just save it. After the upload complete, reload it. Okay, the theme is active again. So we are going to show another things that you can see this copyright your company name 2015. This you can this is not requirement and important. You can remove that thing too by searching that, and I told you that we added that welcome to your team, and we selected the option, and you can see That's all things. And now we are going to see every panels are connected to the theme, so there is many panels in here, so don't need many panels, right? We don't need the password box, we don't need the multi-text box, sorry, we don't need the password box, subtitles, radio box, check box, and other things in the editor. We need that for varieties, we need that. So let's remove those things. So we don't need the checkbox in the line of array. You need to know about the array. Then in the line of array you can see in 290 number code, that's calling chatbox and others. Okay, so we need to close that. So you can see we don't need the checkbox. So let's check up chatbox how much it go. Before we need to checkbox, and we don't need the radio too. So close the radio too. Now start your coding from the checkbox, right? Use the comment code, it will be great for you. And checkbox and radio, and the radio, let's check that first. Radio, we don't need the radio. Then don't need radio. Then we don't need the sortable. Let's search for sortable. Yes, this is the sortable, and sortables are false. Yes, we don't need the sortable, so we close that in here. Okay, now save that thing. So you can see I use my command code to block these things, and I block the checkbox. Now I block the radio box, and I block the sortable box, so it will be not showing my theme when I reload my theme. And you can see the theme panel, the checkbox, radio and sortable are gone. There is no checkbox, no radio, and no sortable in here. Wait for it. Okay, it's on loading mode. Sorry for my net is too slow. So we block those things. Now we don't need the presentation field, and oh, look at the text are gone. Our radio checkbox and text are gone. Okay, now we don't need password field, so we will disable that. In here the password field is start, and we give the password field array, and before we log the password field array, okay, this will be saved. Now we will disable the presentation field. In the presentation field, need to find the presentation field. Color streaming, color generating.
Cái về cái gì? Bắt thay lên.
Sorry for the noise. There is some guest on here. So we are going to disable the presentation. it will be easy for to find. If you find presentations, I think that will be ESENT. I think there is present yes, I found the presentation field, and it's told that the presentation field is already start here, so we start here. Okay, start here. Presentation field. Let's see, info selection, info and selection, let's button and info and selection. Okay, now we of course that things and save that, and when we reload our theme panel, the theme panel option will be gone. You can see when the load complete, the theme panel options will be recover all these things. Right, we remove the presentation and it already removed, and you see we remove when we remove from here, the presentation menu already removed from here. Okay, so today is for this. Try to see the code. If there are any problem, comment. I will try to resolve that and try to make the theme panel by yourself. It will be good, and try to edit that. If any help need, comment on our YouTube page or our website. Visit our website pricebangladesh.com, and everyone please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.